Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use ANC with one earphone on your HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. So to do this, you need to enable this feature in the application. Open HUAWEI AI Life app, but on iOS you can also use HUAWEI Connect application, and I will tell you how to find this feature at the HUAWEI Connect. So open the app. If you use AI Life, you need to click at your headphones at the device list, and then it will open for you headphones menu. On HUAWEI Connect, it will automatically open for you headphones menu. Then you need to scroll down. If you use AI Life, click at the settings at the right bottom, and right here we have ANC with one earbud. So right now, in HUAWEI Connect, you need to find the button Device Settings. Then you click on it, and in the second line you will find ANC Noise Cancelling with one earbud, like on AI Life. So right now, this mode disabled, and if I try to disable ANC, I cannot use it. I need to, as you can see, we have information. We are both earbuds. If I put my earbud, also I cannot use ANC. But if I put both these earbuds, now I can use it. Okay, so then let's enable this mode. Settings, ANC with one earbud, and let's check it. I still cannot use it without my earbuds, but I can put my earbud, then I can use this mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!